Vermont has one of the best networks of cable cars, trams, gondolas, and railways in the world. An engineering masterpiece, the Gornergrat Railroad charges its cogs up to 10,000 feet.
My name is Amade Perek. I used to be the president of the Tourist Association here in Zermatt.
But this particular cog railroad, the Gornergrat, is very famous.
Oh yeah.
What makes it unique? What's different about this railroad?
Well, you know, it's when they start building this more than 100 years ago. That was exactly 1899 was the opening. Because when you reach the top, it's over 10,000 feet. It's fantastic. You get a beautiful, tremendous view to all these snow-capped mountains around there. And when the people came for the first time out here, they said, "What a great spot! We have to build something."
So this railroad made the mountains accessible for almost anybody. Anybody can come in.
Yeah, because it's a must. When you're coming over here to Switzerland to see the Matterhorn, and especially here the Gornergrat. Because in the Gornergrat also they ride up to the Gornergrat. It's around a 45-minute ride. You see so many beautiful things. You're starting down in a village and you see them great. You see the trees, especially in June, July, all these Alp roses. Everything is nice and red.
Wow.
And now in fall, the large trees are getting yellow and the needles are losing. It's a tremendous ride up to the Gornergrat. And when you reach the top, you see all these beautiful glaciers and mountains. It's impressive.
Prochain arrêt, Findelbach. Prossima fermata, Findelbach. Next stop, Findelbach. Zielwa, Findelbach.
We are here right now. Here. That's the running. But we just
Have you climbed that one? Really? Wow. And you tried all the different routes? Okay. Okay. So should we stand right here?
You can stay.
Is that you, Rich? Is that you?
Prochain arrêt,
Is this the
Rotenboden.
last stop?
Yeah.
Oh,
Prossima fermata, Rotenboden. Next stop,
okay, so you were a guide on the Matterhorn?
Oh yeah, but that was many, many years ago when I was young and fit.
Yeah. So how many times did you climb the Matterhorn?
Well, I don't know. I don't remember how many times actually, but it was, I would say, around 20 times I climbed that mountain. Yeah.
Wow. And did you always take this railroad to get up there?
No. For to go to the Matterhorn, we take a cable car on the other side up there. And because now here we see the Matterhorn from a good distance, but over there we're getting closer to the foot of the Matterhorn. Then you have to go the night before up there. You stay overnight in the foot of the Matterhorn. There's a hut and a hotel. And then the next day, early in the morning, around 4:30 in the morning, you start climbing.
And when people come up here and they see these mountains, what do they say?
Well, one of the first things they say, wow, look at that.
They say, wow. They say it's magnificent.
Yeah, because you'll see most people, they're coming from all over the world. They're coming from places they've never seen glaciers or mountains like that. And they are very surprised how great is the whole landscape.